Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebhell, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious vegan frittata only with simple ingredients. Let's see how to make it. Put in a bowl the chickpea flour and add step by step the water and start to mix while you add the water. Then add the extra virgin olive oil, the salt, add a bit of black pepper too. After you mix roughly with the whisk, you can use your hand blender, so it's gonna become very creamy and smooth. Now you can put these on the side and we can cook the zucchini and the onions. Now you can add in a pan the water, switch on under the water and add both the onions and the courgette or zucchini and let them cook for about 5 minutes until all the water is gone. This is gonna be yummy. Now all the water is gone, so you can switch off under the pan. Get the pan and drop everything inside the batter. Oh, such a nice smell. Add a tiny bit more of black pepper. Mix everything well inside. Put a bit of oil inside the pan and make sure that it's gonna go everywhere. Switch on under the pan, and when the oil is gonna be hot, you can drop the mix inside. Just make sure that all the courgettes are here and there everywhere. After about 5-7 minutes, just start with a spatula to detach the frittata from the sides and from the bottom. Be very delicate, because if it is cooked enough at the bottom, you see it will move and you will need to turn it on the other side to make it cook even on the top. You can do that with a lid. I don't have a lid big enough, so I'm gonna use this flat pan to turn it. There we go, and I'm gonna leave it to cook on this one at this point for about 7 minutes. There we go, now we can switch it off, and this is the final result. So beautiful. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too and Facebook one too. So if you'd like to follow me over there on Instagram, I give a little bit more hints about my life so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to tbsp UK channel. That I will leave the link down below. Is my husband and he's the one that is filming every single time.
Thank you very much, honey.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.